Dear student, you are most welcome to our online activities from Aldapur High School. I hope you are quite well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. This is Nikhil Rai, Assistant Master of Aldapur High School, Gomasar Jongpur. Dear student, I am going to present about English second paper of class 9-10. The topics which I will discuss is tag question. I think according to you it is the easiest item in grammar. So you think of it as the easiest item, but my opinion is quite different from you. You can easily make mistake in this item. But how? I am going to show you two examples. First one is, look at the book. The sister in her is white face kurti. Already you have guessed the answer. You will write the answer easily, but most of you can make mistake to write the answer, because I think your answer will be is. So is will be converted into isn't, and the subject is the sister. It will be converted into she. This is your answer, or this will be your answer, but this is invalid, incorrect. The correct answer will be isn't it. This will be correct and this will be incorrect. But how? Yes, I will discuss the point later. Next one is, I know little of it. I think you have thought of it as a easy sentence, but in this case you will write the answer no. So in case of present indefinite tense it will be don't, and subject I, so it will be converted I. I think this will be your answer, probable answer, but it is also incorrect. But how? The correct answer will be do I. This is correct and this is incorrect. But how? I am going to discuss on this point later on. Okay, so come to our point. I am going to divide the class into two sections. In first section, I will discuss about the rules and the right appropriate using of pronoun of subject. And in another section I will discuss the appropriate using of verb. And most commonly you can make mistake in case of subject and in case of verb. So, firstly I want to discuss about the using of pronoun of subject. I am going to show you an example and laterly I will discuss or explain the rules. Okay? First, look at fish can swim. What will be the answer? The answer will be cannot eat. Why? Because if the subject is without man, then and it will, if it is third person singular number, it will be converted into it. Without man, any animals, any insects, anything else, then it will be converted into it when it is third person singular number. Okay. T removes tiredness. Then what will be the answer? T. Here T third person singular number and it is without man. So it will be converted into it. What will be the answer? Removes. So does tag not, that means doesn't, and P will be converted into it. This will be your answer. So this is the first rule, and second rule, birds cannot sing. Here look at the word birds. Is it third person singular number? No. It is third person plural number without man. Yes. So it will be converted into they. You should remember, when the subject will be any animals, any insects or anything else without man or woman, then it will be converted into it or they. When the subject is third person plural number, then it will be converted into they. So answer will be can they. Have you understood? Now let's come to next. Nothing is certain. What will be the answer? Now you should know the rules of this type of sentence. The rule is, if the subject is nothing, anything, something, etc., then it will be converted into it. So the appropriate answer will be is it. Why? Nothing is certain. This is negative sentence and the subject of this sentence is nothing, so it will be converted into it. So answer will be is it. This is the answer. Okay, I think you have understood. Let's come to next. Nobody helped us. Nobody helped us. What will be the answer? Before writing the answer, let's explain the rule. If the subject is everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, none, all, somebody, someone, either, neither, etc., then this type of sentence will be converted into they. Have you understood? So now we will write the answer of this question. Nobody helped us. The verb is in the past indefinite form, so we will use did, and this is the negative sentence, so without not, that means only did, and subject nobody will be converted into they. This is the right answer. Have you understood? Okay, I am going to give you another example. Everybody can do it. Now, write the answer. Yes. In this way, we can write the answer. Nobody will be converted into they, and can will be divided into cannot. Kind they. So, in this type of sentences, we will follow this rule. Or always we will remember everybody, nobody, no one, everyone, none, all, either, neither, etc., etc. It will be converted into they. Okay? Come to next. We can write another sentence. The pious are happy. Look at the sentence. According to your opinion, it is one kind of easy sentence for you, because you will easily write the answer are aren't. But in this case, some of you will write the answer aren't he, aren't she, aren't it, aren't they, etc., etc. But what will be the right answer? The right answer will be aren't they. But how? Can you guess this word is in plural form? No. Because you have to know knowledge about the participle word. This is the word pious. According to part of speech, it is an adjective word. You should remember, if the sentence is built with adjective word before using definite article the, so this word is plural form. Suppose pious, it means dharmic. When we will use the before pious, it will be meant dharmikera. That means it is diverted into plural form by using the. So in this case, your answer will be around the. You should remember, there are so many words about this word, same of this word, such as the poor, the rich, the industrious, the fed, the unfed, the learned, etc. etc. This type of word always you will commonly think of it as a plural form, and the subject in the tag question always will be diverted into they. Have you understood? I think you have understood. Now I am going to give you another example. The poor are poor cannot buy car easily. Look at the sentence. In the sentence, there is no auxiliary, there is a modal, and you cannot identify is the subject is singular or plural, because there is no auxiliary. If the auxiliary is, then it will be cut to singular number. But when there is R, then you will think of it, the subject is in plural form. But in this case, you cannot identify the subject, is it in singular form or plural form. So you will remember the rule of it. The rule is, if the sentence is started from the adjective word before using the definite article the, so this word is already diverted into plural form. So in this case, in the subject, it will be converted into they. So answer will be can. Instead of the poor, we will use they. Have you understood now? Okay. Come to next. The mother in her rose to see the boy. Look at this sentence. The mother in her rose to see the boy. What will be the answer? According to you, the answer will be rose. There is main verb rose, so you will use did here, and if the sentence this is the sentence in affirmative form, so here you will use not, didn't, and the subject will be divided into she. But I have already told you in this case she will be wrong answer, and answer will be it. But how? In this case, you always will write the answer. In case of it, it will be divided into it, because you commonly, generally think of it, the mother, it is pronoun or noun, mother. In case of mother, we will commonly use she. But in this case, this mother is not that mother, because the meaning of it, the mother, ma, commonly it does not mean it, because the meaning of it here, matritva, it is an abstract noun. So in case of abstract noun, it will be divided into it. But how it is abstract? If you find any words in the place of subject, and if you was after that word there is another preposition in, then you have think of it as an abstract noun. For example, the mother in her, the sister in her, the brother in him, the father in him, the beast in him, or the beast in her, etc., etc. In this case, the subject is divided into it. This is the rule. Okay. Now I am going to give you another example. The sister in her is quite peaceful. Oh, I have already given this example. Now I am going to mention it again. Okay, look at it. What will be the answer? There is preposition in after the word the sister. So this sister is not that sister. So it is abstract noun. So it will be divided into it. So answer will be isn't it. Okay. I think you have understood. Next one is the child cannot swim. What will be the answer? The answer will be can he or she? No. Both are incorrect. It will be it. You should remember this rule. If the subject is child or baby, then it will be diverted into it. Have you understood? Okay. Next one is gardening is my hobby. What will be the answer? The answer will be is on. Gardening. Instead of gardening, what will be the pronoun form of gardening? Some of you think of it she or he or it or they, etc. But what will be the right answer? Isn't it? Because there is a rule. If the subject is any kind of gerund, if the verb is in the ing form, then it will be called gerund or participle. Here the gardening is in gerund form. Infinitive, that means to plus verb, or materials, water, this type of word, etc. Then it will be divided into it. So the right answer will be isn't it. Gardening is my hobby, isn't it. Okay, dear student, let's come to another point. Please help me. I think you have already imagined this sentence. According to you, this is an imperative sentence. So the answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be will. You have already known to you, because if the sentence is in imperative form, always except let's or let us, that means proposal, without proposal, then it will be written willing. Always. If the imperative sentence started from please, kindly, or verb, etc., then it will be divided into will. Only will, except proposal, that means let's or let us. Without let's or let us, it will be written will. But in case of proposal, if the sentence is started from let's or let us, then it will be divided into shall we. The answer will be always shall, if the sentence is started from let's or let us. Okay. Dear learners, I have already come to the end of the class. I cannot continue my class any longer for today due to shortage of time. The next part, that means using of verb, will be discussed in my next class. Till then, stay safely at home by following the rules of health and recommendations. Thank you.